we're starting with 1.5 cups of flour. Here we are doing 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar. And this is going in this big bowl right here. And then next we're gonna add 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter, and some vanilla. This is my tried and true banana bread. Y'all probably may see me make this before on here, but it's so easy, so good that I make it like all the time. So yes. So yes. Okay, so we're gonna do our eggs, and our eggs are gonna go in here with the wet ingredients. All right, so we have that. And then to our dry ingredients, we use 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I am using unsalted butter, so if you want to use a little more salt in your recipe, you can. Okay, and now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we are going to get this bowl and put in our bananas. Of course, you want overripe bananas. I always have overripe bananas. Why? Because number 1, I love making banana bread, and number 2, I love smoothies, and so I always have some overripe bananas at home in the freezer, just like this one was in the freezer. And so yes, I always have these just handy. If you let it just defrost a little bit, it peels off easily. Yes, I freeze them whole because I don't know, I just like to do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna smash my bananas, and I like to do them by hand, but by all means, if you have something else that'll smash them, I have a potato smasher. This is what I use all the time. That is why my desserts taste so good, because there's a lot of elbow grease that goes into them. I like to do a lot of things by hand, and so yeah. So after you mash these, then we're just gonna combine everything together, and then we'll add in our sour cream, which is the star ingredient besides the bananas, because it helps to keep the banana bread really, really moist. That is the secret to most of my baking. If you've been following me a long time, you know that sour cream is my best friend. And I always have a tub of sour cream at home because of that. This comes together so quick. So now we're going to add in our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. And give that just a little stir. Mix it up. And then we're gonna add in our bananas and our sour cream. If you are adding pecans, then you can add in your pecans right now, but I'm not using pecans because my kids do not like them. All right, so I'm adding in my mashed bananas. You add in the sour cream. This smells so good already, you guys. You know something's gonna taste good when it smells good already. So this is the 1/3 cup of sour cream going into the batcher. Okay, so now goes in the sour cream. It smells so good, you guys. If you try this recipe, you are going to love me. All right, so I have my loaf pan buttered, floured, and my oven is heated at 350. And so now we're just gonna put all of this in one pan. Now I do, like I said, like to do muffins because I just feel like they're good, like a grab and go. So feel free to do that as well and make some banana muffins, banana bread muffins. All right, the banana bread is out of the oven. It smells amazing. Last thing we're gonna do is just add a little butter to the top. And it's gonna melt. You wanna do this when it comes out of the oven. So we want that butter to melt on top of this banana bread. And then I just have some cinnamon and sugar. I hope that you guys try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it comes out. Bye!